Hey developers, a quick question. Do you write new HTTP client every time you make an API call? Be honest, most of us did at same point. Here's the deal. Every time you do that, you open a new connection. Too many connections and boom, your app runs into socket exhaustion. Yes, that's a real thing. Your app just dies. But don't worry, ASP.NET Core has your back. There's something called HTTP Client Factory. It gives you a smart, reusable, and managed HTTP client. No mess and no leak. In step 1, just add one line in your program.class file. In your program.cs, inside the section where you register services, below this line, call builder.services.add HTTP client method. This is something like register once, use everywhere. In your step 2, use it in your service. Now inject it in your service like this. Watch it closely, I promise it's easy. Let me break down how we actually use the HTTP client factory in our service class. We are creating a simple service called My Service. This is where we'll make API calls from. First, we declare a private field of type HTTP client factory. This will let us create clients whenever we need them, but without creating a new connection every time. In this constructor, we use dependency injection to get the factory. ASP.NET Core automatically gives us the right instance because we just registered it earlier using builder.services.add HTTP client. Now, inside our method, we call underscore factory dot create client to get a new HTTP client. But here's the right trick. It's not really a new connection. The factory is smart enough to reuse existing connection behind the scenes. So it's fast and safe. Then we just make our API call like usual using get string async method. So with just a few lines we made our code cleaner, safer and production ready, and that's it. There's no dispose, no leaks, just clean HTTP calls. Do you also want to set up a base address or headers? To do this, use a named client. Here's a quick snippet. Follow this. Just call like this where client equal to underscore factory dot create client. Under this method, pass your API. And if you want to retry logic like automatic retries on failures, add poly. Just check this out. Here we are adding 3 retries built in, no extra headaches. So next time you reach out for new HTTP client, pause. Use HTTP factory instead. It's smarter, safer, and production ready. Drop a like if you're switching today from HTTP client to HTTP client factory. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Do follow Mindful Techie for more coding series.